Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can activate your Airalo Esim on Android. Really easy and simple, guys. So there's two ways to do this. One, you can choose the QR code option, or you can choose the manual option. If you don't know how to get here, guys, really easy and simple. So what you need to do is you want to go ahead and log in first to your Airalo account, go to eSIMs, and then you want to look for the eSIM you want to install, tap on the details button, and then just tap install eSIM slash access data. Then here you want to choose the type of installation you want, either QR code or manual, okay? And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and do this. So go to settings on your device, tap on network and internet, tap on add a, tap on this plus icon next to the mobile network, and then what's going to happen, guys, they will ask you if don't have a SIM card, just tap on next and then just scan your QR code to add the confirmation code if you're prompted. Then go back to your install eSIM slash access data screen right here. Okay. And then what you want to do is turn on eSIM on the mobile network. Then go ahead and enable your mobile data, enable roaming. Okay. Go to network and internet again, tap on mobile network to set the correct network preferences. Then what you need to do is set up an APN, which is an access point name on your device if required. But the easiest way would be to do this manually. So this is what you do, guys. Choose the manual tab and then copy the SM-DP plus address and activation code. You'll find this under the manual information option. You'll find this when you get your eSIM. Okay, really easy and simple. You can add this the same way. Then you can go ahead and put in the settings, of course, of your network, and then go ahead and install that way. Really easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.